Alright, we are here in Malibu! I just wanted to do a review on Savannah Montano's Disruptive Youth swimsuits. So it took me probably about a good 5 business days for the package to arrive from Florida all the way to California. And when I first opened the package, I thought, wait, this is it? First reaction, this swimsuit was very skimpy, I guess. I had no idea that it would be such like thin fabric with such thin straps. I love the skinny straps. It's not like too thick or anything, so it would give you a super nice tan. But I guess you're paying for the quality of it, I guess, because once I put it on, it looks really good. So the swimsuits are made in the USA, which is awesome. It has a really cute label that says Disruptive Youth on the side. And overall, I'd give this swimsuit a good like 4.5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, it is pretty pricey, but this is her company and I'm happy to support one of my favorite influencers. I've been following Savannah since her Tumblr days, and I'm super proud of her where she's come, how far she's come along in her journey to become an influencer / blogger. So that's it for my review for Savannah Montano's Disruptive Youth swimsuit. Thank you for tuning in for all things Abby related all day, every day. See you next time. Bye!